Good morning, students. Chapter 6 Political Parties is going on, and today we will cover the topic 4. How many parties should we have? We talk about the democracy. In a democracy, like in India, any group of citizens is free to form a political party. Any people can make a faction or group, and they are free to form the political parties. Or we can say that there are large number of parties in all democratic countries. If we will take the example of India, more than 750 parties are registered with the Election Commission of India. And more than this, there are so many parties which are not registered still with the Election Commission of India. But all these parties, the 750 parties, are not serious contender in the elections. They all not they not win the seats in the elections. They are not able to give the serious competition to major parties. Only a handful of parties, 6 to 8 parties are there mainly, which are effective in the race to win the elections and to form the governments. Take the example of India: Congress, BJP, BSP, SP, CPI, CPIM. These are main party which are always remain in the race of the elections. Other parties are not the serious contenders, and these party also vary from state to state also. Like Indian National Lokdal Party, a serious contender in Haryana, but not at the national level elections. So, question is, how many parties should we have in the country? So, now we will discuss that. How many major or defective parties are good for a democracy? Mainly in different countries, different types of political systems, party systems are found. Mainly there are 3 types of political systems. First is one party system, second is two party system, and third one is multi party system. We will discuss all these party system one by one. First of all, one party system. When only one party is allowed, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. सिर्फ एक पार्टी को अलाउ किया था कि वही कंट्रोल करती है गवर्नमेंट को, गवर्नमेंट चला भी वही सकती है. This type of party system is known as one party system. Its example is China. The Chinese Communist Party is only allowed to control and run the government. Only the candidates who are approved by the Chinese Communist Party can contest elections, and always government also found by Chinese Communist Party. This system is known as one party system. What are the merits of this party system? It provides stable administration, stable government in the country. Drawback: this is not a democratic option. सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक इसका यही है कि इसमें इस ऑप्शन को हम डेमोक्रेटिक कह ही नहीं सकते. जब ऑल पीपल्स आर नॉट फ्री टू कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शंस, देन इट कैन नॉट बी कॉल्ड एज अ डेमोक्रेटिक ऑप्शन. बिकॉज एनी डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम मस्ट अलाउ एटलीस्ट 2 पार्टीज, कम से कम 2 पार्टी तो ऐसी हो जो इलेक्शन में compete करें पावर में आने के लिए, मोस्ट सो दैट दे प्रोवाइड ए फेयर चांस फॉर कंप्लीटिंग इट इज competing parties to come to power. But in one party system there is only one party is competing. एक ही पार्टी इलेक्शन लड़ रही है, वही जीतेगी, इलेक्शन गवर्नमेंट उसी बनेगी. कोई उन्हें कंटेंडर ही नहीं है, उन लोग कंपटीशन देने वाले ही नहीं है उसे. तो दिस गवर्नमेंट कैन नॉट बी कॉल्ड एज अ गुड ऑप्शन. इट इज नॉट गुड ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट इज टू पार्टी सिस्टम. In some countries, power usually changes between the 2 main parties. कभी इस एक पार्टी सरकार बनती है, कभी दूसरी सरकार बनती है. But mainly powers are changed between among these 2 parties. बट ऐसा नहीं वहां और पार्टीज नहीं होती हैं, सेवरल अदर पार्टीज में एग्जिस्ट, और पार्टीज भी हो सकती हैं। दे कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शन, इलेक्शन भी लड़ती हैं पार्टीज, विन अ फ्यू सीट्स, वे कुछ सीट जीत भी जाते हैं उस पार्टीज इन द नेशनल लेजिस्लेचर, बट they win only few seats, they are not able to make the governments, but only two main parties have a serious chance to winning the majority of seats, only two parties have a serious chance to get the clear majority to form the government। अदर पार्टीज हो सकती हैं, इलेक्शन में लड़ते हैं लेकिन वो कुछ ही सीट जीतती हैं, उनके क्लियर मेजोरिटी में आने के चांसेस नहीं होते हैं। सच टाइप ऑफ पार्टी सिस्टम इज नोन एज टू पार्टी सिस्टम। An example is USA and UK. In USA, the Republican Democrat, there are two main parties. Always these two parties have a serious chance to win the elections and to winning the majority of seats and to form the governments. What are the merits of two-party system? Two-party system promotes centrism and it provides political stability. ऑब्वियसली दो पार्टी सरकार बननी है, पॉलिटिकल स्टेबल होती है, जल्दी सरकार गिरने के चांसेस नहीं होते। डीमेरिट्स, देयर आर लिमिटेड ऑप्शन टू वोटर्स, वोटर्स के पास ज़्यादा ऑप्शन नहीं है, मेनली दो पार्टी सरकार बनती है, उन्हीं के ज़्यादा लोग पास ऑप्शन होते हैं, सो लिमिटेड ऑप्शन है वोटर्स के पास। एंड दिस सिस्टम इग्नोर द अल्टरनेटिव वॉइसेस, जो बाकी पार्टीज की आवाज़ है वो इस सिस्टम के अंदर नहीं सुनी जाती है, उनकी पॉलिसी लोग ध्यान नहीं देते हैं। Next system is most important is multi-party system. This system is followed in India. When more than two parties or alliance, when more than two parties have a serious chance to come in power with their own strength, या तो खुद के बल पर क्लियर मेजोरिटी मिलने के चांस होते हैं दो बड़ी पार्टीज, दो ज्यादा पार्टीज को, या वो बाकी अदर पार्टी साथ मिलकर के अलायंस बना करके कोलिशन बना करके कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट बनाने के चांसेस होते हैं। Like in India, BJP and Congress party have alliance, BJP alliance, NDA. So many parties are the part of this alliance. Congress party have alliance UPA, and this alliance also having so many parties. So when more than two parties have a clear stance to come in power with their own strength or with the alliance, this type of system is known as multi-party system. What are the merits of this system? Merits, and these are demerits. Merits, it is more democratic. All people have a chance to come in power. Different parties have a chance to come in power. This type of government represent different types of views. It provides representation to different types of people, different communities. Demerits, in the government so many parties are involved. It looks messy and political instability also. Sometimes government also dismissed because the alliance partners take back their support. So बार-बार इलेक्शंस होते रहते हैं इस टाइप की गवर्नमेंट्स के अंदर। So we have discussed three types of government: one party system, two party system and multi party system. Out of all these system, which system is best? We cannot opt any system as a best system of party system, because different countries have different type of situations, different historical circumstances, economic conditions, their society, their culture are different from one country, vary from one country to another country, and which system is best for a country is depend on the situations. Maybe two-part system is best for the USA or UK. It cannot be good for India, because in India there are so many diversities are there. It is not easy to cover a country which is full of diversities among two or three parties. So that's why multi-part system is for us. So a single party system cannot be chosen as the best party system. It depends on the country's conditions, situations, economic conditions, history, and in under what circumstances they form the government. All these factors depend which system will be suitable for that country. That's all for today, students.